Shit.
Size him?
Thunderstorm warning for South Central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Robisonia, 8 miles north of Ephrata, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Wyomissing, Birdsboro, Singing Spring, Wilberforce, Wintersville, Robisonia, New Morgan, Spring Ridge, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Moulton, Kenhorst, St. Lawrence, Wyomissing Hills, West Lawn, Loran, Reefton, and Whitfield. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 299. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. The following is an excess